Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix Windows Update error. Windows Update errors can be frustrating and may prevent your PC from getting important security patches and new features. Fixing these errors ensures your system runs smoothly, stays secure, and keeps all apps up to date. First, go to the Start menu on your PC and open Settings. In Settings, select Windows Update from the left panel. Now, click on the Check for Updates button. This will start the process of checking for available updates and may automatically resolve minor issues. If the problem persists, there is another method to try. Go to the Start menu and search for Services, then click on it to open it. Scroll down and locate Windows Update in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Startup type, choose Automatic. Following that, hit the Apply button. You can start the service here if it is stopped, or click Restart if it is already running. Finally, restart your computer to apply the changes. Open the search bar on the taskbar, click the Power button. After that, select Restart to restart your PC. Your PC will reboot, which should help fix the Windows Update error and get your system running properly again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.